Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to turn myself into the Beret Girl from the Goofy movie. This is such a classic from my childhood, and we are getting right into it. So I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I know that in the movie she has purple eyes. I did more of a brown shade just because I wanted everything to go together, and I felt purple eyes with a red lip is a lot to take in. So first I'm going in with the shade Brave from this palette, and I'm putting this all over my lid with a small fluffy brush. I pretty much use the same brush for the whole eye look, so you could do whatever you want, use your favorite brush or use 2 or 5, whatever floats your boat. I'm just going in with a clean blending brush here to blend out the edges to make everything soft. Now I'm going to go in the shade Brunette, and I'm going to use this on the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just going to pack this onto the outer corner and blend it out. Now I'm going into the shade Halo, which is a nice shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pop this in on the center and inner corner of my eyelid, just for a little shimmer, nothing crazy. And then after this, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D eyeliner, and I'm just going to make a small-ish wing. Before I do that though, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and line my upper and lower waterline. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and apply that. For lips, I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Maya. I really love the color of this, but their formula is just not my favorite. I don't know if they revamped their lip liners. I think they might have. So I have to pick one up and see if their formula improved, because I think it looks really shitty on the lips. But I go over it with the Trustique matte lip crayon in the shade Belize Bordeaux, which is such a pretty shade. And that is what I do for the lips. create her nose, I just go in with a black eyeliner and a pencil because I think it's easier to sketch with, and I am just creating the shape and I'm following basically where my nostrils are and following that line all the way around my nose, and I'm just filling it in with the eyeliner. Now, I wasn't going to wear this all day, but if you are, I totally recommend setting this with a black eyeshadow so it stays put and it doesn't smudge, because as you could see, it kind of does get a little everywhere if you mess up. So definitely set it with a black eyeshadow if you are going to wear this all day. And this is going to complete this look. I'm just adding on a black beret, and then you could totally wear black. I'm wearing black and white stripes. And that's the easy tutorial to how to turn yourself into the Beret Girl from a Goofy movie. Make sure you stay tuned for other HALLOWEEK tutorials. I am not done yet. We still have a few more left to go. I know I'm behind, but you'll probably be celebrating this weekend. Who are you kidding? Check out me on all my social media. All that is linked below, as well as all the makeup I use. And until next time, guys, stay golden.